Top 10 Technologies to Learn in 2024. Ready to future-proof your career? Here are the top 10 technologies you should master in 2024 to stay ahead of the curve. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Dominate the future with AI and ML, the driving forces behind automation and data-driven decision-making. Blockchain technology. Beyond crypto, blockchain is revolutionizing industries from finance to supply chains. Cybersecurity. Protect digital assets in an era where cyber threats are more rampant than ever. Cloud computing. Master cloud platforms like AWS and Azure to manage scalable, cost-effective solutions. Quantum computing. Get a head start on the technology that will revolutionize problem-solving and cryptography. Data science and big data. Turn data into insights and drive decision-making with data science expertise. Internet of Things, IoT. Connect the world with IoT, powering smart homes, cities, and industries. 5G technology. Be part of the 5G revolution, enabling faster connectivity and new applications. AR and VR. Transform entertainment, education, and training with augmented and virtual reality. Edge computing. Bring computing power closer to data sources, critical for IoT and real-time applications. Subscribe to stay ahead of the tech trends and prepare yourself for the future.